Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, both SPY and QQQ gapping down, clearly on a downtrend. I think at market open, SPY and QQQ may look to bounce and then fade throughout the day. Going into market open, I'm bearish. And as usual, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon, and Tesla. All three clearly on a downtrend, so I'll keep an eye. We do have around 9 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching Tesla and Nvidia. Look at how Tesla is flushing. I cannot take a trade on this candle, so staying away for now. Wow, it's not stopping. Low is 658.29. Nvidia holding up. Look at how Nvidia reclaimed, but Tesla not doing that. I'll wait for the first 5-minute candle to close. Watching Tesla. $30.70. Bad luck. I placed it $30.70. Low was $30.90. Watching Tesla. Can I get it? Yep, I'm in finally. I do have some buffer to add. Just holding one. Perfect trade, $289. I'll take it. Now I'll try to repeat that same process. I think we may get a breakout here. I got it at 31.50. Out. $439 in 30 minutes. I'll take it. I'll keep watching for a few more minutes, but right now I'll go ahead and pause. Tesla faked a breakdown here and then reversed. Watching for a quick trade. This candle just got started. That's the reason why I'm hesitating to add. I'd like to see how Tesla reacts to these levels of consolidation. It should break out at one point. I'm also watching QQQ. It's struggling really over there. Around 2 minutes for this candle to close, so I'll wait. I think it has the potential to squeeze the shorts out. See how it's moving. $29.50. Can I get in? Yep, I'm in. out. That was another perfect trade, putting me up over $500 on the day. To be exact, $600 in 45 minutes. No reasons to complain. If Tesla wants to do a pop to around 666, this level, I'll try to repeat the process, else I'll stay away. Things have slowed down a bit, and I think it's a good time to call the day off. 45 minutes of trading, over $600. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basis and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.